In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AMD timed out error message. So there's actually a couple things you can do to fix this. The first solution is to head over to your start menu and just search for device manager, and then we need to click on the device manager window. Now from here, you need to expand display adapters, and then you need to locate your AMD graphics card. Then what we're going to do is right click on this and select update driver, and then just press search automatically for drivers. Now if you get this message saying the best drivers for your device are already installed, then what you can try instead is to head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine you need to type in AMD install latest driver and hit enter. Then click on this top search result here, which is the official AMD website, and then you need to press the download Windows drivers. Now this is a tool that will scan for any outdated drivers on your computer, so simply open up this application, and then what we're going to do is underneath additional options we're going to change this from full install to driver only. You can also select minimal install as well, this also works, and then you can just go ahead and press install. Now if you already have this software installed onto your system, then you'll just simply need to open up the application and ensure that you're running the latest drivers. Now if that's not working for you, the next solution will be to head over to your start menu and this time search for registry editor and click the window. From here you need to expand HKey local machine, then expand the system folder, expand current control set, then expand control, and then you need to scroll down and look for a folder called graphic drivers, which is this one here. Now we don't need to expand this folder, you just need to select it like so, and then what you're looking for here is a file called TDR delay. Now if you have this file, then just double click on it and make sure the value data is set to 10 like this and press OK. If you don't have this file, so let me just delete this for a second, then what you'll need to do is right click somewhere on this white space, click on new, and then select dword 32-bit value, and then you'll just need to give this the name TDR delay. Make sure to also include capitalization on the D and the T at the start, and then press enter. Once you've created this file, simply double click on it and change the value data to 10, press OK, and once you've done that, you can then restart your computer, and that will have now solved the AMD timeout error. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.